doing content creation, pet walking, babysitting, start a child care center, sewing, baking. All these are things I got online when I went out looking for ways to make money as a stay-at-home mom. Of course, I wanted something to bring in income as I care for my babies. But yes, I must admit, all of them are good and I can do them. But what I've come to learn is that, Mama, you need to pick only one. Pick only one, because if you go for two or three, it will overwhelm you. Remember, you're taking care of your children. Remember, you're running your house. Remember, you're taking care of yourself, making sure you cook healthy meals every day. All these on you, one person. So to manage it all, for your sanity, choose one. Go with one. At least perfect on that one skill. Then you move to the next if you want to. So my advice to you, if you're looking for something to earn you some income as you take care of your children, as you work from home, please choose one skill, one item. If it is sewing, do sewing. If it is baking, do baking. Don't combine or make them two. It will overwhelm you. So thank you so much, Mama. Make sure you stay strong because you are doing more than enough. Bye.